Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope everything is alright. Today we are going to make tasty and unique chutney biryani. So let's start the video. So take a bowl and add 4 to 5 green chilies and 4 to 5 garlic cloves, half tablespoon of jeera, 1 bunch of coriander and 1 bunch of mint leaves. And salt to taste or according to your taste. Now a pinch of green food color. Now blend it. Make green chutney like this. Now take a pan and add half cup of oil. Add 3 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks and mix garam masala. Now add 3 medium-sized onion and turn them golden brown. Like this. Now take half of them out in a plate or a bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 1200 grams chicken. And 3 medium-sized tomato. Now we are going to add masala. Chicken powder, red chili, coriander powder, haldi half tablespoon, chili flakes, 2 nor cubes and salt. Everything is 2 tablespoons except of the haldi, which is half tablespoon. Now add it inside and mix. It will turn something like this. Now add the green chutney that we made earlier. And leave 1 tablespoon so that we can later make raita. Cover 5 minutes. Now soak 2 kg of rice for 30 minutes. And boil water. Now step 2 is cooking rice. Add 2 to 3 chilies, some coriander and mint leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks and half tablespoon of jeera. Add 1 to 2 bay leaves. Now you can see the water changes its color. Now add Chinese salt and bring it to boil. Now add the 30-minute soaked rice in the water. Now you can see they're boiled. Now drain them. Like this. Now we are going to layer it up. So just follow the steps. And so you can see I have added lemons in it and some fried onions that we left. drop of food color also. Now our layering is done. Cover for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see how good it looks. Now you can serve it. Now our green chutney biryani is ready to eat. Share with your friends and family. And hope you like the video. Subscribe, like and share for more. Thanks for watching.